Denver BBQ Festival here at Mile High Stadium. Thank you all. Come on. So, what do we got going on?
Well, we're from The Shed, Ocean Springs, Mississippi.
Highway 57?
Highway 57. We call it barbecue heaven,
Absolutely.
no doubt. What we're working with is a bone-in ribeye. It's got the cap on top. Scotty, did you trim this?
I try not to trim any of the prime rib because all that flavor's in the fat. So we just want to break that down slow. We started about 275 so we can gain some smoke, and we finished it off high.
This is prime. This is as good as it can get.
Beautiful piece of meat. You said you did minimal trim on it. Tell us about the seasoning that you put on there.
All right, as far as seasonings, I don't like to overload it. I'm kind of a basic guy, so all that is salt and pepper, and I'm not going to lie, a little bit of chupacabra on the top.
So we have this one on. This is on the Daniel Boone. That thing looks beautiful. You see the bones are starting to poke through. Got some nice crust on it.
Damn.
Right? You're really looking for that internal. You like around 125, 130, depending on your preference. Is that what you're looking for?
So in the middle, you know, it's such a nice cut of meat. It's so large that really everybody wants a different piece. Whether you like your steak, you know, like Scotty, he likes his well. Guess what? It's on there. People that like theirs super rare, it's on there.
So, Brad, how long have you guys had The Shed?
The Shed has been open for right at 17 years. In August, we'll celebrate our 18th year. My little sister and I started it, and my mom and dad are part of it. My dad makes all the sauces. Again, it's a family thing, of course, with Scotty's parents here.
Thank you all for being a part of our family this weekend. These guys have amazing food. Scotty's tearing up this prime rib right now. It's phenomenal.
Right now.
Let's give a big hand for Scotty and Brad at The Shed.